Hi again. I'm Tiana Nobile, teaching artist and art coach with KidSmart, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fun flipbook. All you need is some paper and something to write with. With a flipbook, you'll get to invent fun and silly sentences by flipping through the pages. First, we need to think of a list of nouns and verbs. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. A noun is the subject of your sentence, or who or what the sentence is about. For example, my brother, a banana, a school of fish, the missing puzzle piece. These are examples of nouns or subjects, or what your sentence will be about. Next, let's think of some verbs or action words. The verb will start the predicate of your sentence. The predicate is what the subject is doing. For example, eats, roller skates, plays, swings. These are all examples of verbs or action words. You can make it more descriptive and interesting by adding more details, like eats ice cream for breakfast, roller skates through the grocery store, plays soccer on the moon, or swings from tree branches in City Park. Once you have your lists of nouns and verbs, or subjects and predicates, you'll put them together in your flipbook. You'll need a few sheets of paper. Since I wrote 4 subjects and predicates, I'll use 4 sheets of paper. You'll fold the paper so the 2 edges meet in the middle like this. And then you'll crease on either side. On the left side, you'll write your subjects. On the right side, you'll write your predicates. Let me show you my example. So on the left side, I have my subjects. My brother, a banana, a school of fish. On the right side, I have my predicates. Eats ice cream for breakfast, roller skates through the grocery store, plays soccer on the moon. Now you can flip through your subjects and predicates and make fun and silly combinations, like the missing puzzle piece, plays soccer on the moon, or a school of fish eats ice cream for breakfast, or a banana roller skates through the grocery store. You can take your combinations and use them as inspiration for a drawing. Here's mine. A banana roller skates through the grocery store. So use your imagination. Come up with your lists of nouns and verbs, subjects and predicates, and put them together into your flipbook. Let us know what kind of fun and silly combinations you come up with.